What's going on, guys? It's Caleb. Right now we're outside Halei River Rapids. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, it's at Animal Kingdom, and from what I've heard, you get really wet on this ride. But just how wet do you get on this ride? Well, we're about to find out. We're on the ride now. We're loading up. Let's see how drenched we get. There's people that go on this thing with ponchos, so... Oh, you want to say hi? Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi.
It's not bad, sorry, relax.
More theming than I thought it was. Look at this. Whoa.
Look at the sky, Ari. The fog looks like perfect.
This looks like it got abandoned. Okay, here's our first drop. This is our first drop. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh no, here we go.
You're fine.
This footage is going to get a bit, well, not very clear because there's water on it. So excuse it. Excuse the bad quality right now. Clean the water. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! River Rapids. I think that's, I can't remember the name right now. I recommend wearing clothes that you're comfortable getting wet in. If not, wear a poncho all the way. You're gonna need like a supersized poncho for this, honestly. Is that good, right, guys? Alright. Okay, so as you can see, I got pretty wet. But this is the ride over here that gets you drenched. Look at that. That being said, I prefer Grizzly Bear at Disney's California Adventure. The next drop, it's more fun. I think it's more scenic. But yeah, when you come here, do expect to get wet. You expect to get very wet, actually. But yeah, well, that's about it. This is Caleb Kent, and this has been Vlog 47, over and out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to go check out some other videos that I've made, you're just one click on the channel icon away from doing so. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat if you're interested. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you wish to do so. And if you are or will be a returning viewer, I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.